Hello and welcome to Scientist's Arena. In this video, we'll be talking about motion, its cause, types, relative motion as well as terms associated with motion. Motion is simply the time-dependent change in position associated with a body. It involves the change of position of a body with time. Two subfields of physics involved in motion are the kinematics and the dynamics. They differ such that while dynamics deals with why objects move as they do, kinematics deals with how objects move with no regard to the forces causing their motion. The cause of motion is force. Types of motion. There are four major types of motion and they are random motion, rotational motion, translational motion and oscillatory motion. 1. Random motion involves the irregular or disorderly movement of objects in no preferred direction such that they collide with each other. An example of random motion is that displayed by gases known as Brownian motion. 2. Rotational motion. It involves the movement of a body around a fixed point known as the axis of rotation. An example of such is the Earth rotating about its axis as well as the wheels of a moving car. 3. Translational motion. That is the movement of the whole body from one position to another, e.g. a falling fruit. 4. Oscillatory, vibratory motion. It is the to and fro movement of a body about a central position, e.g. the bob of a pendulum. Note that a body may consist of a combination of two of the above-mentioned types of motion. Let's also take a look at relative motion. If a student traveling in a school bus looks down to the floor of the bus will appear to him to be stationary. This is because the bus and the student are moving with the same speed and hence there is no relative motion between them, but if he looks out of the window, the trees outside will appear to be moving in opposite direction as the bus. Trees don't move. The illusion of moving trees is due to the relative motion between the student in the moving bus and the stationary trees. From this, we can deduct relative motion as the change in position of a body in respect to points of reference. In this motion, there is no fixed point of view as the position of the observer changes in respect to time as in the illustration above. Terms involved in motion are 1. Displacement. It is the change in position along a specified direction. 2. Velocity. It is the change in displacement per unit time. 3. Speed. It is change in distance per unit time, i.e. magnitude of velocity. 4. Acceleration. It is the rate of change if velocity with time. 5. Uniform motion. It is the motion of a body at constant velocity. Thanks for watching. See you next time.